Hey, welcome to the Daily Dose. Let's dig into it. Hey, how do you effectively test ideas, products, and services without going fully to market with it right away? So I believe in pre-launching everything that I do, whether that's courseware, product, service, doesn't matter. Pre-launch it. Get an idea if you're actually solving that pain point first before you go into full production mode with that product or service, and know what the percentage of success is going to be versus what the failure rates will be. If you do that much at least, you'll go into it with a lot better success rates. Hope that was helpful. See you on the next dose. I hope you found this video useful. Follow me right here on YouTube for more great content daily. Download my international best-selling book, Be Good, Be Brief, Be Gone, for absolutely free at growfast.club. I say again, download my book at growfast.club for all of my 7-figure growth hacks. Get your copy now while it's still free.
Magnum! Holy moly!
Yeah, baby! That's what I've been waiting for!
Dear God!